Hello and all, welcome to a Galaxy Man Show reaction video to this incredible episode of Batgirl called Year of the Birds. So I'm about to play the episode right now. The incredible Amber Eva plays Batgirl, and I'm so excited for this episode. So yeah, let's play the episode and yeah, support the amazing cast of Year of the Birds. Here we go.
Guy's in trouble. I got a little care on him. Yep. Yeah. Thanks, Alfred. Dad, do you know if you want Alfredo sauce or red sauce?
Alfredo.
I only see it in mushroom pasta sauce. Is that okay?
Yes, baby girl, mushroom pasta sauce is fine. Whatever you want to make is fine. You know it's gonna be good.
Yeah, it looks good.
You want to ask me if I put it up? No
Because
sauce.
you're my dad and I'm making you dinner tonight. Okay? Does that work?
Yeah. We have an ongoing investigation about
Tell me more.
You don't need that.
Let's work with the right people. Yes, right?
Where's the money?
That means next week.
I don't want it next week. I want it today.
Well, I don't have you just made a big mistake.
Oh.
No one told you to have my money here to let the people want to die. I fuck around when it comes to my money being no time.
Where's the money?
I don't have it.
Oh. Oh.
Well, isn't that a cute party trick?
Now let's see if you can keep up.
I ain't talking to no little girl in tights.
First off, they're not tight. They're leggings. And second of all, either way, you two are going to jail tonight, so you may as well fess up.
Hey, boss, she thinks you can play cop and arrest us.
Ooh.
That should hold you over till I'm done scoping out this place. That's here. How dumb can I be? Selena, let's go. Corey, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
It's a trap.
What?
Well, you know, most are expecting big bang. But looks like he decided to take his mini. Matter. Go ahead, should fetch a good price.
Huh.
After all, the lovely commissioner's going to fetch us quite a large sum. What a set of pace for pace. 2 million still. That's a fat pay to me. Fetch me the merchandise.
Yes.
No. Who are these clowns?
Ooh.
Okay, remember what happened.
Go get paid. standing around. I'm not playing you, so get out there. Get out. Come on, you white man.
Hey, cover your ears. What? Cover your damn ears!
Batgirl's mom.
You are lucky. I don't believe in killing.
You don't have it in you. You're weak. Lock it up. Just like the rest of the bats. You're just a silly looker playing dress up. It's really quite pathetic.
She might not believe in killing, but I do.
Oh.
Life is yours. Wicked nightmare. Go on. Give them closing those pretty eyes of yours and seeing me. Like, on your ass!
Don't call me that. I don't know what you're talking about. What feels like a victory now isn't always a win.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mom. Run! Tie him up before I change my mind.
I knew you didn't have it in you. You're weak. Why don't you get a plain cheese party and have time for job?
Ooh.
As you hope the GCPD get here. Okay, well, I'm gonna go check on Gordon now. Hey, do you have any scratches or bruises?
I'm not bleeding. You and your friends make an amazing team. Yes, the other ladies.
Yeah, we do.
Are you all right?
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Oh.
I'm glad to see that you're all right. Where's my glasses? Okay. Yeah, back's a little sore. Got a little back pain, never hurt anybody. So I'm glad to report that we have Lady Shiva custody as well as some of our customers. Shiva. I need an APB on Harley Quinn and Joker now. We need every available squad car out on the street. Let Eckert know I want you working on Penguin and Lady Shiva the moment they arrive.
Let me radio cache and Arkham.
Yes. We need Arkham locked up tonight. I don't want any more surprises.
I'm assuming the bat was here tonight.
Actually, no. He's occupied in Midway City.
It was a team of women. Women. You mean to tell me that there could be more heroes than that? It looks to be that way. And with Harley Quinn and the Joker up to something, we need all the help we can get. Lord only knows who else they're working with.
Yes. Yes. That's what I'm talking about now. Yes. Oh.
This is an Armageddon!
Yes. Well, there you all go. That was Batgirl, Year of the Birds. Hope you all enjoyed that episode. That was such an incredible episode of what the cast have done. Amber Eva plays such an incredible Batgirl. I've said this before in the very first episode of Batgirl vs. Shiva. I said Amber Eva plays Batgirl really sensational and really incredible. So like really hands down, Amber Eva has done such an incredible job at making this episode with the incredible team behind this episode. The other cast members have done such an incredible job too. The two actresses that played Canary and Huntress, really well done. Amazing acting. And yeah, I really enjoyed this episode. Really, like the action sequences were incredible by far. Better than number one was like action sequences were incredible, but this one tops like Batgirl versus Shiva. Like this episode here shows how dedicated this Batgirl series is, and I'm loving it. I can't wait to see more, perhaps more episodes in the future for Amber's Batgirl. But yeah, man, this tops the very first episode of Batgirl vs. Shiva, and it was such an incredible episode, and really like the cast have done such an incredible job at making this episode. And yeah, that's all I have to say for that. Yeah, definitely go check out Lady vs. Shiva if anyone hasn't checked out the first episode, and definitely go check out Year of the Birds. As I said, really well done. And yeah, hope you all enjoy Batgirl Year of the Birds. Go check it out on YouTube now. It's up on YouTube now. And yeah, really well done.